Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Shruti and I create content on fashion, travel, lifestyle and beauty. If you're new here, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button. In today's video, we'll talk about the festive glow. So this glow is not coming from your outfit because I know by now you all must have decided your outfit, you all must have decided on your makeup, you must have decided on every aspect of your look. But guys, have you taken care of your skin and your hair? So in today's video, I'll talk to you about my skincare regime for Diwali so that you glow on your Diwali day and you get the bomb photos out of it. So also in this video, I'll be using all the products that are available on Nykaa and that are super affordable so that you are not breaking your bank just to look good and just to glow. Before talking any further, let's get started with my skincare regime for Diwali. I always talk about a gentle and a good clean cleanser, and my OG subscribers would know that this cleanser from Simple is bang on. This is just so good. I am in love with this cleanser. This is super gentle since it's already a bit cooler and bit wintry, so that my dry skin girls really would love this Simple cleanser. It says it's for all skin types and no color, no perfume. So if you have sensitive skin, if you have oily skin, if you have dry skin like me, then this is the best because this won't rip off any oil from your face. Trust me, when I'm saying any oil, it won't rip off any oil. And even my husband uses this cleanser. He is a oily skin type, so I must say that this is such a gentle and a nice cleanser. So this festive season, I would highly recommend you guys to use a simple gentle cleanser because already our skin is going through so much makeup and everything. It's very important to give it a good cleanse, so that's why I'm using the Simple one. This is my favorite. You can also use the Cetaphil one, which is again my favorite. You would see this either Simple or Cetaphil my each video, but yeah, this is my favorite. So the first one, cleanser. The second product that I am using this season is this Kama Ayurveda Pure Rose Water. This is such a gorgeous product, and the best part, it's very easy to use because it comes in a spray bottle and you just spray it all over your face. Trust me, it's a very hydrating toner. The best part is just pure rose water, so there are no chemicals and all in it. And if you do not want to invest a huge amount in Pixi Glow Tonic and other extremely expensive toners, these rose waters are really affordable and good options that are available in India, and I really swear by it. It's so good and it really gives me a very hydrating effect before starting my makeup. So 10 on 10 on this. So guys, I have already created a video on my morning skincare routine. So if you have not watched that, I'll link it here. Go ahead and watch it because that is super helpful. In that video, I have talked about layering, serum, skincare and every detail possible. But in this video, we won't do that because I have already done that. If you haven't watched that video, go ahead and watch it. But in this video, we'll talk only about my Diwali glow skincare routine. So the next step that I highly recommend is a serum. That can be any serum, but right now I'm using the Simple Hyaluronic Acid plus B5 Booster Serum. I'm recommending this only because hyaluronic acid gives your skin a very plumpy look. So I would highly suggest you guys to get a hyaluronic acid serum. This is from Simple. This is very affordable. I'll write down the price somewhere over here. I got it in sale from Nykaa, and this is just so good before doing any makeup because your skin looks a lot plumper, a lot healthy, and then of course you'll glow. So definitely Simple hyaluronic acid. The next step is obviously a moisturizer. I really like to use a moisturizer that is thick because I am a dry skin girl. I really like to use these kind of moisturizers which are thick. If you can see here, it's a very thick consistency, and this is from Requil Ceramide and Hyaluronic Acid Moisturizer. If you're an oily skin girl, you can use a gel based moisturizer which has hyaluronic acid in it, because hyaluronic acid, as I told you already, gives you a lot plumper skin, so that your makeup would really glow on it. Last but not the least, you do not want to be tanned on the Diwali days. For that, make sure you are using any sunscreen. I really like this ceramide and vitamin C sunscreen for daytime, or from Dot and Key watermelon cooling sunscreen. These two are my current favorite sunscreens, which I'm like alternating. But you should get a good sunscreen. These all are quite budget friendly sunscreen, and apply it in your morning skincare routine so that your skin is not tanned. These all protect you from tanning, and also you are safe from UV bad harmful UV rays. So that's why you should use this. Be it Diwali or it's not Diwali, you should definitely get a good sunscreen. Moving on, since it's festive season, we'll be putting on different lipsticks on different days, retouching the lipstick, reapplying lipsticks. The only problem that I see with that is a very chapped lips at the end of the day. So for that, these days I'm really enjoying the Plum Candy Melts. Again, not sponsored. You guys know how much I love my Vaseline jelly, but recently I thought I should try something else, and I have heard a lot about Plum Candy Melts. This is such a gorgeous smell, gorgeous fragrance, and just so good. I really like to apply this in the morning and in the night whenever I'm not doing my makeup, so that my lips look good next day and ready for reapplying the lipsticks. And by the way guys, you can also apply Vaseline jelly. It's perfectly fine. It's such a good lip balm, but as I'm currently loving this. Moving on to the next product. This is super important for me because my eyes tend to get very puffy in the morning, and for Bhai Dooj and for everything, when you have morning puja, not Diwali, then you have to get ready in the morning. In photos mein you get those puffy eyes. It looks so bad. That for that I also use ice cubes to depuff my face. But recently I started using this Plum Mandarin and Vitamin C Peptide Caffeine Under Eye Cream from Plum. It says it reduces puffiness and dark circles. So honestly, it's not been so long to commit like it does the job. But I have started using this and I like it. I kind of like the touch and feel of this Plum eye cream. So I would recommend it, but it's just like I have used it for 2 to 3 times. So if there is an eye cream that suits you, you should invest in that. And stay tuned for my final review, final verdict on this, the Plum eye cream. But I have heard so great reviews about this, so I'm like, okay, let me give it a try for this season. So for that I'm using an eye cream. You can use any eye cream that suits you, that is in your budget, but this is a nice eye cream in the budget friendly range. So after you are done with all the skincare and everything, like you have followed everything religiously, I would still suggest, when you're getting ready for Diwali on the day, make sure to use a sheet mask. For sheet mask, I got this simple de-stress sheet mask. Saving this for the Diwali night, especially because it says de-stress sheet mask. I need to try this, that how it works, but I think sheet masks are good if you want some instant glow. So this is something I would highly recommend you. You can try for Innisfree sheet mask, Nykaa sheet mask. Sheet mask is something you should definitely give it a try before starting your makeup. It will make your skin a lot healthier, a lot plump. Moving on to the hair care, I'm not here to recommend a lot of product, but some little quick fixes for you on Diwali day. The first product that I would highly recommend is this Be Blunt Salon like hair spa. If you are on the go and you do not have time to go to salon, neither you have that kind of budget to invest on the day of Diwali for just for a hair spa, you can order these from Nykaa. These are intense moisture heat hair spa mask. So if you're also someone who suffers from frizzy hair like me, you have dry and frizzy hair, just get this one and you are sorted. You will get silky smooth hair. The second product that I would highly recommend you guys to invest is, like, no, it's non-negotiable for you to not invest in this, is again Be Blunt Hot Shot Heat Protection Hair Mist. So for all the parties and all the Diwali and all the events, you guys will be straightening your hair, curling your hair, blow drying your hair at home. And the worst thing that can happen after the Diwali is over is you face a damaged and dry hair, split ends at the end, all because you use so many styling tools. So make sure you get a good heat protection mist. So for that I got this Be Blunt. I have used this bottle before, so I know it really works for my hair, and I would highly recommend this. Do not just use a serum, because that's not very effective. Use this and it's really good. You just need to spray it on your hair and get into your hair styling routine, and this is just so good. So I would highly recommend you to get a heat protection mist. It's super nice and it protects your hair like anything. The next product that is my favorite, absolute favorite this festive season is Tresemme Keratin Smooth Anti-Frizz Hair Serum. So by this time you guys would know that I'm someone who face a lot of frizz and I really need to tame it. So whenever I do my shampoo and conditioner, after that I really like to use an anti-frizz serum, and this one for Tresemme is, oh my god, this is just chef's kiss. This is just so good. You should at least once definitely try this. And that's it for the video, guys. That was my hair care and skincare regime that I am following this Diwali, and that is really helping me in getting a glowing skin. And I feel whenever I am using all these products, my hair and my skin is looking so good. With that, see you, bye bye, and happy Diwali.